This is not a family cheeky.
1, 2, 3.
Good morning, vlog. It is currently actually 12. We have been sitting here at the subway for about an hour now, Jordan and I. Jordan with all our luggages. So we let my mom and dad go shopping at the Seongmyeong underground market that they have here at the station. It's between like 8 and 10 exits. And my mom really liked it the other day, so she wanted to go back. And so we gave her about like an hour or two to go and explore while we watched the luggages. We could have done luggage storage, but Jordan and I aren't really interested in the stuff that they were selling here, so we're like, we'll just chill here while we wait for them to kind of explore for a little bit. So we actually didn't give my mom a time frame. Hopefully she gets back in the next like hour, 30 minutes or so, because we do have to get to the airport because we are about an hour away. And then once we get to the airport, we'll be heading to Jeju via Korean Air. And then we'll be in Jeju for like 2-3 days. 2-3 days, back to Seoul, and then back home. Wow. Our flight delayed, so we got some lunch here. We got a bunch of stuff. This is my first time having gimbap here. I haven't had gimbap yet, which is wild. Looks like this. I'm gonna eat it separately without anything.
Which one did you get?
Regular gimbap. That's good. It has radish, ham, carrots, cucumbers, eggs, imitation fries. I'm gonna dip it in my ramen because I saw some man do that. Dipping ramen is really good too. Alright, let's try the ramen. Ooh, spicy. That is spicy. Tastes like a package. Delicious. Jordan got oolong. Is that door?
Yeah.
And then
Wait, you want to try the strip?
found another sausage and rice cake. We're gonna try it. Cheers. They're exactly the same. It's exactly the same.
It's like nugget.
Zauders is the best so far in K-Town in America. But that's exactly the same. But the rice cake is the same. The sausage tastes exactly the same. The temperature is exactly the same as the one that we had on the cable car. I like it when they like grill it.
You want to try chicken?
Jordan got a sweet and sour chicken. Have you tried it? It's crunchy, definitely sweet. Not bad. Not bad at all. For airport food, it's pretty good. Try to see if my mom's eating the gimbap I bought her. Kimbap. I'm going to keep eating. I have a story to tell you, but first I'm going to give you a tour of our Jeju place. We just got to our hotel and it is so cute. Okay, let me show you. This is the entrance as you walk in. It's like a cute little teeny apartment, guys. Wow. This is our bathroom, shower. Oh, let me turn on the lights. A cute shower. A toilet here. Normal size towels, everybody.
Yay.
Over here is, I think this is the refrigerator. Yes, mommy, a refrigerator, a whole kitchen for my mommy, a washer here. This is a closet. Wow! Walk in VIP. VIP closet. VIP walk-in closet. And then over here, there's 2 beds. There's a bed here with a TV on this side. Plenty of storage space. And then this side will probably be me and Jordan, and another big bed. And storage space as well. This is very nice. Oh my gosh. It's cute. It's nice and roomy.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's nice. Essentially, this is a massive update from our previous Airbnb. I think it's because it's a hotel, so they kind of have to like upkeep it. So let me tell you the story. It is currently 9:48 and we are here in Jeju. When we landed, it was pouring rain and we had to find the rental car and I didn't know where it was. Everything was in Korean. I finally found it by the little symbol that it had. So I turned on the car and the gas was like half and I was like, oh my gosh, we have to drive like an hour or so out to the city that we need to be in. So we need to go get gas. So we stopped at a gas station and we had no idea how to pump the gas. So a cute little lady comes out and she's like saying all this stuff. Essentially, I think she was saying you can't use our gas station. You have to go to a certain gas station, and was trying to give us direction. And so I like pulled up the app to like translate, and she essentially was like in the rain, like trying to direct traffic in the dark, trying to like tell us where to go. We had to like U-turn, make a left, I think, per the translation. Anyways, I felt so bad. We didn't even get gas. We just drove right here very, very slowly because it's pitch dark, pouring rain, and I've never driven in this country before. But we have officially made it, and now we need to have some dinner. Our original plan was to go eat pork belly, but I don't know if my parents are down. I feel like they might want to just rest. So let's see what happens. We have a convenience store right across the street, so maybe we'll do like a convenience store night. So let's see. We're at Nicest View, and there's nothing here, but Jordan saw this chicken because he misses Japan so much, so he's gonna try it. See what's going.
This is not a famichiki. So I think it's a chicken stick.
It's hot,
a cold.
warm. Oh, crunchy.
Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
Ew. I don't like that.
Wait.
Nasty aftertaste. It has like 2 different aftertastes. One is really spicy, a really spicy aftertaste. And then the other taste is like it's just been out for a while.
Oh, so I got the fried chicken.
Mm-hmm. Sorry.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna go find another convenience store.
Jordan and I got the blue lemonade again because it's so good. And the crunchy, crunchy, crunchy ice. It's also like almost 11 o'clock at night. We didn't go eat. We went to the store. Yeah. Here we go. Literally tastes like a blue ice cream. And I love that the cup is like it was buy one get one free. Ah, just as good as I remember it, Jordan.
When we didn't get yesterday.
Jordan also got this corn cheese.
I'm gonna take everything out.
Wow.
Có gì bên bếp?
We got another chicken. Time to open it the famichiki way. Ooh. This one's crispy and burnt. Mm-hmm.
One, one, one.
Cái
Vô lên nhưng còn đĩa đã không anh?
This guy! Ooh, that's spicy, Jordan.
Uh-huh. Oh, yeah, spicy.
Spicy from the chickpea. The first time it it's like extra crunchy was like the best I've ever had in my life. Should we microwave it more? Jajangmyeon. The
Ooh.
convenience store.
Cheese bowl. What's the white stuff?
Try it.
It would be better with a spoon.
Bún ok với nước không ngon chứ này.
Yeah.
Nước không ngon. Bún ok á, bún ạ.
Bánh lọc ăn được.
Ah, that's crazy. That's so bad. I'm gonna be all over the place.
Okay, go.
Came up with corn cheese.
Mmm. 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 Mmm.
At 7-Eleven, Jordan found this ice cream, which is similar to the sorbet ice cream. It's feeling melted, Jordan. But this one has grape and pineapple, so we had to try it and see if it's anything similar to the one that we had in
The one we had yesterday.
Japan. It smells similar. Oh, it's
Melted.
not looking presentable. The rest are all crunchy and freezer burned. Oh.
Mmm.
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 Mm-hmm.
Mmm.
Mm-hmm.
Have another one. Mmm. Mmm. If this was like brand new, I think it would be really good.
It is good.
Like a fresh batch. Like this is a little like crunchy
I kinda like it as
meltedness.
pineapple.
The pineapple-ness is good. I'm gonna try the grape. The grape is over here. It all like melted together. I think it was old.
It was the only one in the back.
Mm.
Cái bạc nó tôi lên đúng không?
The grape is not as good as the grape in Japan. But the pineapple is really good. So here, have a grape. The pineapple is really good.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, the packaging was cool. Still got to give it up to Japan though. But the pineapple's good. Japan should come up with a pineapple one. Not bad.
Not bad, but not good.
Not bad, but not good. The experience
I'm
was
just
not
kidding,
good,
it's good.
but the flavor is good.
Oh, no.
Because it's all
Everything-
melted.
Everything was good.
Melted and
Had a
freezer
good
burned.
experience.
See you guys tomorrow.
I see it. It's.
We're driving in Jeju.
My finger.
We need to get gas today, but we don't know how to fill up the gas because this is what the gas looks like. Can you see it? It's just like a thing. Today we're going to a bunch of waterfalls and I'm going to be driving the car. So let's go. What's the name of this waterfall? Cheonggyeong Waterfall. We just got tickets. If you're gonna come here, there's a ticket office and a little kiosk and you purchase the tickets. Jordan is a youth child. And then we have to pay to get in. It's like 2001 for an adult. Parents are free because they're seniors. And we're gonna go check out this one.
A few inches later.
Mission accomplished. We have gotten our orange hats. We got 4, one for my parents as well. And it's next to the 7-Eleven right outside the waterfall. It's 8,001, so about like $6, right, Jordan? About $6, cheaper than the 7-Eleven that we went to. Great sun protection. I'm all about it. Yes. Now we're gonna find my parents to surprise them. Surprise!
Nồi mua lắm đấy.
Jordan's messing up his hair. You look so cool. Jordan, you look so cool. Oh my gosh.
Wow, look at the guy.
My parents are wearing it on top of their hats. This is so cool. 7-Eleven sold it for 10,000 won. We waited till 8,000 won. I think that's probably the best deal we're gonna get. Like $5. If it gets that cheap, that'd be insane. I'm excited to go to Waterfalls. I'm going back to get tickets for my parents because 65 and older is only free if you're Korean. Well, my parents are not Korean. We are not Korean, so we have to go get tickets, which is fine. Not a big deal. It's like $250-ish to get in for each adult. Okay, this is the ticketing booth. Touch English. 2 for my parents. Next, purchase credit card. Easy. Dad, it said a long time ago people used to believe that there was a holy dragon that lived on the bottom and they would pray to it to get their prayers answered. Also, it rained yesterday, so the waterfall is flourishing. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. It's been a minute since actually no, I just saw that. I was gonna say it's been a minute since I've seen waterfalls, but when I was in Maui and in Kauai, there were some very beautiful waterfalls. Maybe not as luscious as this one, but making our way to our next waterfall, Wangno Falls. Has a little staircase where it says a bathroom right at the entrance, and it says you can't swim when it's raining for your own safety. It also says no drinking while you're swimming and swim at your own risk. This is where Angelina recommends us going swimming. It's freezing cold, she said, so let's see once we get there. Where's my family? This hat is so, I love this hat. I'm gonna wear this whole hat during this Jeju vlog so you guys know we're in Jeju. If we go down, we just come back up. I'm getting bit. I'm getting bit. Getting bit. I hear the water. Rocky, slippery path. Be careful. Jordan's going. Jordan's going. Is it a situation where you can just jump or no? Like just go?
Yeah, it's like cold.
It's cold?
1,000,000 zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
You're already in the water. At this point, Jordan, jump in. At this point, just jump in. It's my dad over there. Woo! View of the waterfall, Jordan. Actually, hold on. Let me get into proper attire. Okay. Review of the waterfall, Jordan.
Really cold, but fun experience.
Yeah, glad we did it.
Yeah, a lot of bugs.
A lot of flies. There's like rocks pretty much bordering the entire thing that you can pretty much walk all the way over to the waterfall without actually going into the deep end. So even if you can't swim, you don't have to worry. There's rocks everywhere. So over there is where it's warm. And there's a rock in between here that you can get up and stand right there and then go in between those two waterfalls. But all those are like rocks over there. And then the entryway down, there's like a staircase, which is where we went down. And then you go down the rocks here. That was cute. It's been a minute since I've gone into a waterfall. The water is really nice here. It's cold, but not like you could get into it. And the only bad thing is that there's a lot of flies. That is good. We're going back up.
Mom's throwing up and dog's running.
I, on the other hand, will be pacing myself.